In this video, we'll show you the process for ordering a BarNow product from the NCBE Study Aids store. To purchase a BarNow product from the NCBE Study Aids store, go to www.ncbex.org and click on the Study Aids link in the top navigation menu. Next, scroll down the page and click to expand the Study Aids product you wish to purchase. Then click the Purchase button. After clicking on the Purchase button, the NCBE Study Aids store will appear. Click on the Add to Cart button to place the study aid product in your shopping cart. Click on the cart link in the upper right corner of the page and then click on the View Cart button to begin the checkout process. Once your shopping cart appears, please verify that it contains the items you wish to purchase, because all sales are final. After confirming that your cart contains the items you wish to purchase, click the Checkout button. Once the customer account page is loaded, please note once again that all sales are final. If you have purchased study aids from NCBE in the past, please log in with the email address and password you chose when creating the account. Otherwise, please click on the Create an Account link to set up a study aids store account. Complete the account creation process by filling in all required fields. Ensure that all required fields have a green checkmark in them before clicking the Create Account button. Your NCBE Study Aids store account has been created. Please note that your NCBE account and NCBE Study Aids store account are not the same. Each account requires a separate set of login credentials. They cannot be used interchangeably. Next, click the Continue Shopping button and then the shopping cart link in the upper right corner. Then the View Cart button. When your cart loads, click the Checkout button, noting one last time that all sales are final. When the checkout page appears, click the Billing Address field and then select your billing address from when you created your account. Click the Continue button. When the payment field expands, please enter the credit card information associated with the billing address above. Click the Place Order button. When your purchase is complete, you will see a confirmation page appear. Please print or save a copy of the confirmation by clicking on the print link. Please check your email for 3 separate messages. A message confirming your account creation at the NCBE Study Aids store. A receipt confirming your purchase. And a message explaining how to activate your study aids purchase. If you experience trouble placing your order, please contact us at techsupport@ncbex.org or 608-316-3109.